back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, I just want to let you know I am going to be trying to get out as many job leads to you this week as I can. I am going to be taking a little bit of the time off and not posting as much next week. So if you don't see a lot of videos next week from me, just know I've not disappeared from YouTube. I am taking a vacation to see my family. But enough of that. Today's job lead is from the huge pet retailer Petsmart. Now, they are looking for an e-commerce fraud analyst. Don't let the job titles sometimes fool you. They're basically looking for somebody to review orders and transactions and make sure there is no fraud associated with those transactions. They are based out of Phoenix, Arizona. That's where their home office is. This job is paying $23 to $27 per hour, but it does say this position is fully remote and from any other location outside of Phoenix within the United States, and they don't list any state restrictions, so it does look like they hire throughout the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to use various reporting tools with fraud screening applications to identify orders that may be fraudulent, cancel those orders before they are fulfilled and shipped, contact the warehouse to make sure that they don't ship out those fraudulent orders, because PetSmart is trying to not lose money. So you'll review potentially fraudulent orders across their platforms, determine the overall risk to the business, and you'll make a informed decision on whether to cancel the order or let the order go out. You may have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls to contact customers to validate the potential of fraudulent orders, reaching out to fulfillment warehouses or different mail carriers, parcel carriers like FedEx, USPS, to have those orders canceled or rerouted and returned back to the PetSmart warehouse. You'll perform other customer service functions as business needs arise. You'll initiate, conduct, and assist with e-commerce investigations related to identity theft, credit card theft, lost and stolen packages associated with the online transactions and online orders. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody who has 2 to 4 years experience in some kind of e-commerce, experience with fraud detection methods, loss prevention investigations, or some kind of a credit card industry. Somebody who has knowledge of commonly used fraud prevention concepts and practices, somebody who can demonstrate knowledge of e-commerce computer systems, and also you have to be able to use Microsoft Office software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. They want somebody who has a high degree of professionalism and the ability to conduct their self in a confidential manner. And of course, you have to have great communication skills. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.